This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.